Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you which virtual machine is best for you. So we are going to go first with the VMware. So this is by Broadcom, and here you can see that it is cloud solution for your business. It provides you a platform, cloud infrastructure, network, security and software defined edge, and it is basically a very well known in this niche, and it is a very nice virtual and very good virtual machine if you want to get through it. And here you can see the different details about this, and basically that's a very well known in this area. And you can try this by clicking on test drive a product, or you can contact us and get the more detail from their support. And the second one is Oracle. From Oracle, that is VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an open source, and this is developed by Oracle. So you can try this if you want. And VirtualBox is a powerful x86 and product for enterprise as well as home use. So it depends on your need whether you want to use it in the enterprise or for your home use. The next one is Hyper-V on Windows. So basically this is developed by Microsoft for the Windows, and for that you have a processor with the second level address translation capabilities. Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise or Windows 11 is good for this, and for that you not need any other operating system because it works well on Windows 10 and 11. And the last one is QEMU. QEMU is a bit difficult for the newbies, but it is up to you if you want to try this. And you can also visit the websites and you can choose any of the one according to your business requirements. So this is the complete review of this for machines, and you can decide according to your business which is best for you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.